If you're someone who loves photography, in fact, you don't need to love photography. You don't need to be a professional photographer. You don't need to be a professional model. Even as a beginner, you can make money by just uploading your pictures on this website I'll be sharing with you. So you can easily monetize your images. You can sell your images from landscape, nature, portrait, abstract images, and all of that on this website. So the key here is to find your niche and then take high quality photos that people would love to buy. So you need to put yourself in the shoes of your target market. What do they want? The people that will be downloading my picture, the people that want to use my picture, what are they looking for? So if you understand that, it will be easy for you to come up with pictures that will get good downloads, and you can get up to 60% royalty on these platforms. You don't need to have special cameras or big equipment to start taking photos. With your smartphone, you can get started. You can take good pictures. So watch to the end of this video because I'll be sharing insights every step of the way. My name is Charles and I'm passionate about people and businesses. I love to see people and businesses grow, and that's what I do in this channel. If you have not subscribed, subscribe, turn on the notification. I create videos about online marketing, business, entrepreneurship, make money online and life. So like this video and drop a comment in the comment section if you don't understand anything, if you have questions. And it's important that you watch this video to the end because I'm going to be dropping nuggets every step of the way. So if you don't watch to the end, you're going to miss out on certain details. So if you watch the video to the end, you understand everything. You understand step by step how to get started with this. So there are certain things you need to consider. There are certain questions you need to ask yourself before getting started with this. Questions like, what are brands looking for? What are businesses looking for? What are content creators looking for? What are designers looking for? Because these are the people that will be using these images. These are the people that will be downloading these images. They'll be using it for maybe content purposes or marketing purposes. So you need to put yourselves in their shoes and then find out what they want. You need to understand what they want. If you understand what they want, it will be easy for you to come up with ideas for the pictures. So businesses, companies, what do they want? Most of the time, they want images for their website, for content, or for advertisement purposes. Website owners, bloggers, what do they want? Most of the times they want images that are visually appealing, that would enhance their content. They want images that would tell the story of the content that they're putting out. And then we have graphic designers, web designers. What do they want? They want images that they can use on their project. They want photos that they can use for banners and all of that when creating projects for clients. And then publishers, book publishers, magazine publishers, what kind of images, what kind of photos would they use or would they need in their publications? So you need to put yourself in the shoes of your client and plan a good photo session. It is important. Another thing you should not fail to do is to look at what's working. You need to go through all these websites and then look at the pictures that are trending, pictures that are getting top views or that are getting high views, and then create something similar. So you don't need to start creating or digging new well. Look at what is working and then model it, do something similar. But then while doing that, you need to understand or choose a particular niche. Understand the kind of clients that you are creating the content for. So for example, if your target market is businesses that want to use images on their website and all of that, you can just go to different websites or other businesses and look at their website and see images that they use on that website, and then you can come up with similar idea, maybe working on a laptop or doing something that has to do with business or to show that you're working. Or if you're targeting magazines, you could take real photo sessions, modeling different styles. If you're targeting business owners that just want to showcase a product, you can take photo sessions like showing like you're holding a product or reacting to a product that shows some kind of emotion. You can do images for different kind of emotions, crying, sad, angry. There are like different ideas that come into play. And the best part is this website will pay you for life. As far as the website is still active, they're going to pay you for life. So you need to come up with emotion. You need to come up with action that tells a story, because it's the story that sells. So one thing you can do is to go to Google and search for emotions, all emotions. Just search for the types of emotions and then give a reaction for all those emotions in different environments. And you might want to also take pictures on a plain background, because there are some brands or businesses that just need pictures on plain background. Sometimes I go to this website and I'm looking for a particular, emotion, and I can't find that. I can't find people giving that emotion. I can't find people giving that emotion, and this is where you come in. This is a great method for you to start making side income, passive side income. You don't need to be a professional photographer. You don't need to be a professional model. Just as a beginner, as a newbie, you can get started. You don't need special equipment. All you need is just your smartphone. Take pictures, take good pictures, and then put it on this platform and then you're good to go. So one thing you need to do is to look at the terms and conditions on all these websites so that you can meet the requirements and you won't default. Know what they want, know the kind of images they want on their platform so that you'll be on the good side of the platforms. Let's get started. The first one we'll be looking at is Shutterstock. Shutterstock is one of the largest stock photography website, and it's easy to get started. All you have to do is just to sign up, upload your pictures, and then you wait for customers to purchase those images. The great thing about Shutterstock is that you can earn up to 30% of the sale price of each image that is sold. So you're getting a royalty of up to 30%. So you can see here, you can see images and there are some videos and all of that. Some people even upload videos, sell videos here. This is a video. You can see images, and each of these images, they show a certain kind of emotion. You can see this is happy. This is woman with children, and you can see this is happy, and they show a particular, emotion. They tell a particular story, and this is what you want to come up with. So it's easy. If you want to sign up on Shutterstock, go to the bottom. You can see sell your contents. Click on sell your content, and then click on get started to sign up on Shutterstock. All you have to do is just to take high quality images or videos, submit it, and then you get paid whenever a user downloads the video. So you get paid a royalty of 30%. This is a great website to start with. You can join. So the next one is iStock Photo. Now, iStock Photo is another popular stock photography website. And this website has been around for over a decade. And they offer a wide range of payment options, including PayPal, which makes it easy for you to get paid. So they also offer royalty of 15%. It's quite lower than the previous one we talked about. So let's look at some of the images that they have here. You can see relationship matters. There are images based on this. And you can see these images about relationship. That's the storytelling. You can see different images. So you just have to come up with a good story before plan your session, and then go ahead taking images. If you want to get started, click on sell stock. Click on sell stock, and you can see you download the app, upload content, get reviewed, and they accept. And then you start making money from your content, from your images. And the next one is Get Images. Get Images has been here for a very long time. And it's one of the most well-known websites for selling stock, photography, and all of that. So they have large customer base, and they offer 20% royalty rate for each image that's sold. So getting your photos accepted by Get Images can be a little bit tough, because they are one of the biggest in that industry. So it can get a little bit tough to get your photos approved here. You need to have good high quality images for you to start selling on Get Images. But when you're accepted, just know you're showing your work to a very large audience. They have a lot of customers. They have the largest audience, one of the largest audience in this industry. So click on apply to be a contributor, and then sign up. So it's the same platform, Get Images on iStock Photos. And you can see it's the same way to sign up. You download the app, upload content, get reviewed, and then accept your invites. And then you start putting out images. So you can download the app and get started. You don't even need a laptop for this. With your mobile phone, you can get started. The next one is Fope.com. Now, Fope is a mobile app that lets you sell your photos directly from your smartphone. All you need to do is just download the app, sign up, and you start uploading your photos. So Fope has a unique feature that allows you to participate in photo missions, where there are assignments from brands and companies that are looking for a particular thing. So you can just join in that mission and create something around it, and then the brands will select the one that they like. So this is a great way for you to make extra money and get your work in front of a large audience. So to get started, click on switch to creators. You can download the app on Google Play or on Apple Store and get started to selling your images. So the next one we're looking at is Dreamstime. Now, Dreamstime is another platform that you can sell your images, and they have large audience also. Dreamstime offer 25 to 50% royalty rates. This royalty is high for each image sold, depending on your level of exclusivity. So they also have a referral program that allows you to earn money from referring other photographers to the site. Dreamsite is a great option if you're looking for a website that offers a range of earning opportunities. So you can see the type of images that are here. So you can look at images and create something similar. So to get started, you could just click on editorial and then go to the bottom part and click on sell your images. So let's say their requirements must be your personal work and you must own the copyright. And don't upload offensive content such as explicit news, drugs, people, offensive position, racism, and all of that. And they check images for default, and if you're defaulting, they're gonna ban you, they're gonna block you out. So you just have to find out the requirements for each platform before getting started. Read their terms so that you'll be on the right side. So the next one is 500px. 500px is both a photography community and the marketplace for buying and selling photos. You can set your own prices for your photos and you can keep up to 60% of the sale price. So the community aspect of 500px allows you to get feedback on your content, and that's very, very important, and that's how you grow. It helps you not just get feedback, you can also connect with other photographers. So getting started is not hard. Just download the app on your mobile phone, on Google Play or Apple Store. Download the app, sign up, and get started with selling your photos. The next one we have is Adobe Stock. Now, Adobe Stock is quite new to the photography industry, but they have become one of the most popular websites for photographers to sell their images. They offer a 33% royalty for every image that is sold. That's a great percentage, which is one of the highest in the industry anyway. So to sign up on Adobe Stock is very easy. You can just click on sell and join. It's very easy. Click on sell and join. You join and then you start uploading pictures and making money from that. So you can earn 33% royalty when you sell your images on Adobe Stock. Now, one thing you should not fail to do, let's look at their premium stock images. You see the difference. Look at the premium stock images. They have a lot of clear images here, a lot of crisp clear images here. And let's also look at stock photos. Now you can see the images. They're always telling a story. There's a story behind every image that is here, and this is what brands are looking for. They want an image that tells a story, that portrays some sort of emotion. This is what brings, life to content. You could just have fun with it, play with it, get started with it. You don't need to take it too serious like you're doing a job, but have fun with it, take pictures, enjoy, share your moment, and with you living that moment, you bring out your emotions fully, and then you get to portray that story. So it's very easy. Sign up on these platforms, check out their terms and conditions, understand what they need, understand what your target market needs, and then create something around that. Be flexible, have fun, enjoy yourself. This is photography. It's not work. Just enjoy yourself and share that moment on these platforms, and you'll see that you're going to get results. So just let me know in the comment section if you've gotten started or if you're going to get started with this. Let me know in the comment section. If you have any questions or anything, you can also drop it in the comment section. If you've not subscribed to this channel, subscribe, turn on the notifications, like this video if you like this content. Seriously, like this video so it's going to reach more people. I also want you to check out this other video. Cheers.